Narrato's Style Guide automation lets you set up your style and brand guide rules to make content creation and review a breeze. Here's how it works. Let's start with how you can set up your style guide rules in Narrato. To begin, click on Style Guide under the Customize tab on the main menu. All style guide rules that you create will be available here. To create a new rule, click on the button and add your rule. You can add a term, that could be a word, phrase, even an abbreviation, or similar, that you want writers to follow specific rules for. You can also add a rule description explaining why. You can choose to replace, review, or remove the term by selecting the appropriate action for your rule. Save the changes made, and your rule will be applicable across all your content on Narrato Workspace. You can also set some standard rules that are listed under the Other section. These include rules around the use of punctuation, writing style, dates and times, and so on. You can select the rules you want to apply, and deselect the ones you don't need. For certain rules, you can use the drop-down to define the action. Now let's see how the style guide works on a content item. To apply the rules you have set, click on the Style Guide option above the content editor. This will open all the style guide suggestions on the right. You can click on a highlighted word to view and apply the suggestion. Click on the suggestion to make the change, or you can dismiss it by clicking on the cross. Changes can also be made by clicking on the suggestion on the right-hand panel, and applying or rejecting the change. Creating content tailored to your style has never been easier. Try out Style Guide automation on Narrato today.